Lucene full text search. Why this only? And full text search is available with RDMS, MySQL, Postgres, and SQL Server. All these have full text support. So why do we have another component for full text search? Then we will be coming on how it works and maintainability part, because every time we would be updating, so we have to take care of it, how we would be maintaining it. There are few advanced features of Gen framework, actually component of Gen framework, and then best practices. Uh, uh, this full text search is a combination of two things actually. Full text search is a mechanism of, yes, is a framework that is conceptually that is based on MVC architecture, where model, view, and controller, these three things resides separately. Your business logic remains in the controller part. Your interaction to the DB part remains in the model section, and your view part, which is seen on your browser, that remains on view file. Okay. Actually, there are a couple of Gen framework is not like this MVC architecture only. It contains a very rich library with itself, so you need not to do much if you need to provide some feature that is already available in the library. Probably most of the like fields, you have to import fields like this. Okay, so full text search is a combination of two processes. One is indexing and another one is searching. So when I would be talking about full text search, so I would be combining two things, indexing and searching. Full text search applies on, full text search is not limited to your DB part only. It can combine your HTML documents, your XML sheets, your PowerPoint presentation. So every content that is mentioned in those files, you can create indexes on those files, and you can search based on your keywords in those documents. These are the few things that make us very comfortable to use Gen Search Lucene, because it's fast, its execution is very fast on huge data set, so response time is very good. Finding relevant information. If I would be searching in the DB, so if I am searching in a text part, so it might be a blog, okay? So either I have to use the full text search there, or for simple people, people think that, okay, why don't I use like statement? Because yes, you can include that library in any of the PHP applications, and you can use functions of it. I have used this Gen Search Lucene in Symfony application, and it worked pretty well. So based on my own experience, I can say that integration is no issue with any of the frameworks or raw PHP applications. Simple but powerful query syntax. Writing syntaxes for searching or for forming queries, it is very easy to write. And yes, we would be looking at, when we would be looking at example, we would be finding how easy it is. A couple of other similar sort of search engines available, like Xampian and Tsearch2, that has to be compiled with the Postgres. So there are a few things that are available, but out of which I found that Lucene is very scalable and flexible. So there are stop words and similar kind of things that you can redefine yourself. So the to use Search Lucene. If full text search is available with most of the RDMS, then why should I use Gen Search Lucene? I mean, anyhow, I have to include the library and I have to understand its syntaxes and all. So, if it is available with the RDMS itself, then I can directly use the syntaxes of MySQL and I can execute it. So, there are few things that comparatively large indexes, yes. The moment your data becomes quite huge, in that case, making indexes on your for full text search, either it is available with the Gen Search Lucene or with the MySQL part. You have to create the indexes because that is the rule for full text search, that on your body part you have to create the index and then you can search in that. So if your data part, if MySQL data set is going to be very big and you have created full text index on your suppose there's a and the major drawback that is there, that it requires a lot of memory at runtime, because MySQL takes memory for recreating the indexes. So that is another thing that insert is very costly in MySQL or other RDBMS. Limited support for field types, because in MySQL especially we can create index full text search full text index only on char field type, varchar and blob. No, blob we cannot do things. One is indexing and another one is searching. So yeah. Yeah. So this is for creating the index. So for creating, this is the code of Gen framework itself. I mean, every specified the analyzer. Which analyzer I for when indexes are created, analyzer does a lot of things. So it says which kind of search it's going to support to. So here I specified that text num. This will support any text search as well as numeric search and included of both. I mean, composite search it should support too, and it is case insensitive. So that is something like this. So in the if you see in the second line, I just called a method of model here, patient model. So this model is defined in the model part. This function, yeah, second, yeah, and first I instantiated the object of that, and then I called a function of patient model fetch all records for index. So what all fields I want index on, I would be fetching from my DB, and yeah, code at the file system. So and this is the this path we can specify in the configuration file, yeah. And here I actually instantiated an object of Gen Search Lucene. So either if my file is already not created in the file system, then it will create a new file. Otherwise, it will open a file. And I iterated the record set that I got from my DB, and I created indexes on that. So I called one other function. Inside of index add documents, there is a function. This generate Gen Search Lucene document patient row, and every record of this iteration will go through from this, and it will return me the inner one. The inner one. Yeah, the function that is inside of my parenthesis. This function will return me a document. So here below of this I have specified, okay, downwards, yeah, downwards, yeah, this function, yeah. So this is the function that I specified earlier, generate Gen Search Lucene document. So at the end of this function, you can see that this is the return doc. So what everything is happening inside of this block. So here I have added the fields in my index part. So gen search leucine field colon text. I want text has a these all words have its own significance. So if you see comment above of this field, so I have written that field is tokenized and indexed and is stored in the index. So it has a very good significance here. So whenever we would be talking about best practices, that we have to look at this part. So here let me brief about it. Okay, I have just remember we would be covering this one in a tabular form. So here you have seen that 5 fields are of text kind and rest of the 3 fields are unstored. So unstored is, says that we don't want it to be stored in the index part. Okay. And text says that okay, I want field tokenized, indexed and stored. So everything will be in the index part. Then whenever I will be searching, so in that case, I would not be fetching data from the DB. I mean, I can fetch the data from the index part itself. So that will give me better performance if my field is not containing use data. In case of use data, don't keep it in index part. Otherwise, your index will be bigger one, and recreation of indexes will be a costly affair. So patient search action. Now I have created the index. Then the second part comes. So whenever I will be calling this function, so what I will be bringing to, I would be bringing 2 things. One is field to search, which field I want to search on, and the query string, and what I provided in the search text box. So here there are two things coming here in the form of variables. Now I specified the same analyzer. What analyzer I have used for creation of indexes, the same analyzer I use here, so that it can understand which text indexing strategy it has followed. Then okay, skip 2 lines, disable layout and set no renderer. Skip those. And here, suppose I provided phone field over there. So my requirement was that okay, if somebody look into the phone, then phone field should be looked into all 3 phones. I mean, for patient, it should look into home phone, it should look into work phone and cell phone. So for 3-1. So here, this is search API I have used for that. First I created the term, a string and field, which string I want to find out in which field. And the second one is subquery. First of all, I should tell here that at the very okay above it, the first line in the block. Yeah, this below this. Yeah, this query. So I want to boolean. So boolean in the sense that okay, either this or this. So my string should be searched out in any of the phone fields that are available in the DB or in the indexes here. So my requirement was that okay, if somebody provides a few initial numbers of the phone, then it should bring out the whole phone number, matching phone numbers. So I have used a wildcard search here. So and likewise add subquery. So I created an instantiate of boolean, and I am adding that, and I created subqueries, and I am adding all those subqueries in the query part. So here, if you see in the last of this, I specified null. No, I am talking about that statement only. So I commented it and specified null, specify that this is neither required nor prohibited. So it means that null specifies that neither it is required nor prohibited. Query string that I had formed yet. So I provided that query into the find function of this class stored. If I want just to find out, don't want every blob to be stored in the indexes, then I would be just looking into the blob, and based on my search, it will return me an ID, and based on that ID, I would be looking into the DB, and DB will give me whatever I would wish to find out from DB. So unstored I use for longer text part. I should use unstored. So it is done. So proximity search. It is not only searches like it is. It would be finding like this. Gen and framework will be split in two parts, and these two parts will be sequentially find out in 10 words, approx 10 words.